Hey all guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm just going to show you a short video of how to brew a local traditional drink we call Munkoyo. First things first, we have to mix mealie meal with warm water whilst it's on the fire. Locally we say oku fubila. So this is basically making a maize meal solution with water, and we keep on adding the mealie meal until it thickens.
Unexplainable feeding it. The life yanga we pass a meaning it. Nobody ever meant what you meant to me. Plus they did my ex, they all dead to me.
Once the solution is thick like a porridge, you just make sure to stir it and make sure the consistency is okay. And then we let it boil for a long time. We let it boil for about an hour or two actually. You get to have a certain scent that tells you that it's ready. And then we put it in a bucket, as you can see. You can put it in a drum, in whatever, but we didn't brew so much, so we put it in this bucket here. And we add these roots. Well, they're not roots, they're like barks from a tree. I don't know what tree this is, but I was told it's called Ichimuticha Munkoyo, like Munkoyo tree. I don't really believe that that's what this tree is, but who knows. This is the next day. We kept it in the same bucket just to let it ferment. So the idea behind Munkoyo is more like porridge, but it ferments with those roots in them, which gives it a different taste, a distinct taste. The time for fermenting depends on how much it is and how big the bucket it is in. We only fermented for 3 days because it was little. So like I said, on the 3rd day, the Munkoyo was ready. It had brewed and fermented enough. So enjoy your Munkoyo. I hope you try the recipe and enjoy it like I did. Ciao!